One of the features that we offer with our installation is capping of the door frame itself. Quite often over time the wood can get it can get a little bit weathered or rotted, or just to avoid ongoing maintenance of the door frame, you can cap it with aluminum or metal, and it gives it a nice clean finished look. As an example of the little extras that we try and do at Garage Door Canada, we've attained some coil stock from Richards Wilcox, and with our Elite Series wood grain doors, we can offer a capping of the same material of the skin of the door. And you'll see here how this matches. This particular sample piece has a bend that suits a brick wall where the door frame is typically set in further back than the brick. So this return leg here would butt up against the brick, and of course we would cap it, and then we would finish the job off with a weather stripping piece that would be mounted on top of the frame capping and seal up the joint at the end of the door here. It's available in the same colors as the Elite Series door, in the cherry wood, the light oak, and the dark